Hey,
Hi, how are you?
I'm great. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing fantastic.
Fantastic. Awesome. It's good to see you again.
Yeah, and in my case also because I'm
Uh-huh.
waiting for that schedule.
Yeah, yeah. So, what have you done lately?
Yeah, I have done a beautiful painting for showing you. So I will be showing during in this period, in this
Yeah,
schedule.
yeah. I want to see. I want to see.
Okay,
What's
okay.
it a painting of?
Yeah, that is yeah. Here it is.
Oh, how nice.
Yeah,
Wow.
you see that man is bringing the date juice.
Wow, that's cool.
Yeah,
How
date juice is
long?
sweet.
Right, right. How long did it take you to draw that? That's so
It is all,
good.
yeah, it is 2 days. 2 days.
2 days.
I mean to say 2 hours.
Wow, okay.
And the next one is yeah, yeah, here it is.
Oh,
It is a
wow. That's so
urban,
good.
yeah, it is urban scenery.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. You're quite the artist.
yeah, almost. I use watercolor to paint. So
Oh, wow. It's a painting.
yeah, and here I am. I am waiting for the bus,
Oh, can
road
you
bus.
move it a little?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's you. Wow, that's so cool.
And I have a couple of art like yeah, here is my favorite one. There is a fair in the fair.
Ooh, how nice. What inspires you to draw these or to
Yeah,
paint these
I went
pictures?
up, so something wandering in my brain about this fair, so I painted it.
Wow, that's so good.
Yeah,
Have you ever been on a Ferris wheel?
yeah,
Yeah. The wheel, the big
yeah.
circle.
It is merry-go-round.
Mm, yeah, so a merry-go-round is it's
Like
flat. It goes
oh, okay,
around.
I know that. I know that.
The
So
one that goes like this is a
oh,
Ferris wheel.
okay. And I
Yeah.
I I rode it.
Wow, okay. That's so
And
cool.
yeah, the last one is the most favorite one. That is yeah,
Wow,
football.
that's so good.
It is a football match,
Yeah.
and here I am dodging the football for goal.
Oh, that's you. Do you play football?
Yeah, I play football and also cricket,
Oh,
but
okay.
mostly
Cricket, huh?
I'm playing cricket mostly.
Yeah, cricket's pretty popular there, isn't it?
Yeah,
Okay. Is
and
football popular as well?
yeah, exactly. And so far I know that in America the baseball is the national game.
Mm, yes, technically. So
Uh,
here in America, we call football soccer.
oh,
Soccer?
yeah, yeah.
Because American football, we throw it. We throw a foot.
Oh, this
Yeah.
rugby, like rugby.
It's exactly like rugby. Yes,
Uh,
very similar.
okay,
Yeah.
great.
Have you ever watched an American football game?
Hardly watch.
Hardly. Okay.
And madam,
Awesome.
yeah. So, what are the things that do you like most in your hometown?
Hmm. Well, recently I went rock climbing. Do you know
Oh,
rock
rock climbing.
climbing?
Yeah, I know. It is similar like hiking.
Yeah, it's kind of like hiking, but you're climbing up rocks and climbing
Oh,
up
okay.
mountains.
Oh,
So,
wow.
but
So,
this one was indoors, so it wasn't an actual rock.
exactly. So, have you done before this pandemic?
Yeah, I've been a couple times before.
Oh,
I'm not a
wow.
professional at it, but
So,
that's
you
what I
have
like
a
to
great
do.
experience.
Yeah, it's so much fun. Do you want to try rock climbing?
No, but I love hiking. But till not, I do not hike. But it is my dream to hike someday.
Okay, wow. Yes, I bet it's very beautiful there for hiking, right?
Yeah,
Do you
because
have
here are a lot of place in Darjeeling for hiking.
Okay, wow. Do you have a lot of mountains where you
Yeah,
are?
in district the name is Darjeeling, but I live in Hooghly.
Okay, cool, cool. Very
And
nice.
yeah, what are the things that you dislike in your hometown?
Oh,
It is
um,
hard to say, right?
yeah, maybe. I I'm not very close to the ocean, so maybe I would like
Oh,
to be closer.
okay.
Um,
So you will go someday on the beach.
yeah, yeah, I'd like to be closer. Just when
Okay.
I do want to go. But
Okay, I
um
see, I see.
actually tomorrow is a big holiday here called Thanksgiving.
Oh, Thanksgiving, yeah.
Yeah,
So
Thanksgiving.
do you celebrate?
Yes. Oh, of
Yeah.
course. Every American celebrates.
Okay, I see. So
Yes.
what are the special dishes cooked by your mom in that day?
What do we do during Thanksgiving?
No, but I know that
Right, right.
some Americans cooked a delicious meal, a big meal.
Right, right. So we have a big feast. All of our family members bring something
Oh,
to the dinner. So we all eat together.
great.
We watch
Great.
parades. It's very nice.
Yeah, exactly. And yeah, so next is the next festive will be coming soon. That is Christmas
Uh-huh.
after
That's right.
Thanksgiving.
That's
Yeah.
right. Do you
So
celebrate
how?
Christmas?
Yeah, we celebrate Christmas by cutting cake and praying the God Jesus.
Oh, okay. That's nice. Do you give gifts or presents on
Yeah,
Christmas?
I give to my sisters
Okay.
in red shocks.
Nice, nice.
So whenever she wake up, then look around, then they see the gift in the
Oh,
sock,
nice,
in the red
nice.
sock. Yeah.
Yeah, those are called stockings. Your stocking.
Oh, stocking. Okay,
The
okay.
big
So
sock.
like yeah, okay. So like the Santa Claus, I tell her that the Santa Claus gives it to you.
Aw. How old is she?
She's 6 years old.
Oh, so she's very young.
Yeah, very cute
Aw,
also, like
how
you.
sweet. Aw, thank you. Do you know what you're going to give her this year?
Yeah, I also give a something like don't tell anyone. I I want to share a very precious gift to her that is a very fancy vanity bag.
What is it?
Vanity bag that is handbag.
Oh, a handbag. Okay. Aw, how sweet. Is that what she wants? Do you think she'll like it?
I think she like it too much.
Aw. And do you ever receive any presents on Christmas?
Yeah, not on Christmas, but in my birthday I have received a very beautiful and also most pricey so far as I have received. That is the gift is the mobile.
Oh, the phone. A phone, right?
Yeah,
Oh,
that is
that's a
the
great gift.
that is the expensive gift ever. And do you have received any expensive gifts?
Yes, last year I got a phone. Um,
Oh wow!
yeah, yeah. What else did I get that was kind of expensive? I don't know. Usually I don't receive very expensive gifts, but that one was very special
Okay.
to me. So,
Oh yeah, exactly.
yeah, so awesome. So, the next holiday you'll celebrate in your country is Christmas?
Yeah, but not professionally way, but unofficially we celebrate all.
Oh, okay, okay. How was Diwali?
Diwali was really awesome to me, and I lit up a lots of oil lamps and also candles,
Uh,
and lit it and captured some memories with candles and also oil lamps.
right. How nice, how nice. So then
It is
what's your favorite holiday? Favorite holiday.
That is Durga Puja.
What's that?
Yeah, it it is celebrated. It is celebrated in autumn, and the goddess of power will be adored,
Oh, that's cool. So,
and it stay along 5 days, 5 days off. So it is
oh,
really big festival
yeah, that's
in,
cool.
in yeah,
Wow.
exactly.
So that's why you like it? That's why you like this
Yeah, I
holiday?
like it. Yeah, I like it a lot because I have 1 week off and totally off, and eating some delicious foods and visiting some new places to see that goddess.
Right, right. So you get some time to relax and have some fun,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, exactly. Chatting with new people.
Awesome. How nice. How nice. Wow. And do you work, right?
Yeah, I am studying an engineering. I'm an
Oh,
engineering student. Only 1 year left to become graduate.
right, right. So how are your studies going? Are they going well?
Yeah, well, because I am taking online classes 3 days a week, and it is well. It is going well.
Oh, very nice. Very nice. Do you learn in English or do you learn in Hindi?
Uh, I learned English. I am in English medium.
Oh, wow. Is that difficult to learn in English?
I can write English and I can understand English, but whenever I speak, then sometimes I get stuck. So sometimes right words does not come in right time. So that's why I switched to Cambly.
Right, right. Well, that's okay. Practice, 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 right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, yeah.
Key of for success.
What was it?
Practice is the key to success.
Exactly. Perfect. Wow, okay. So you study engineering. Is there anything else you're interested in studying?
And also in painting, and on the other hand, studying, learning English.
Uh-huh.
It is my uh, what I say. It is my dream to learn and to grab the accent
Right, right.
of US of American accent.
Right, right. Yeah, those paintings were so good. How did you learn to paint?
Yeah, since my childhood, I learned it from a lot of art school,
Uh-huh.
but nowadays I have to cut it due to hectic schedule.
Oh,
But
okay.
I continue it whenever I have free time. I used to paint.
Yeah, that's so nice. So then you paint, do you sketch at all? Like with a pencil? Or
Not at all. I just use watercolor to paint.
nice, nice. Would you be interested in trying maybe landscape, like painting a picture of nature?
Yeah, also pictures of natures and landscape and also figures.
Yeah, yeah. It seems like you like painting the community, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's very
exactly.
nice. Very nice.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow.
And what are the things that make you angry or irritated?
Angry? Oh, I don't know. I'm not a very angry person.
Uh, Great. Looking you, I can understand.
Yeah.
You are very and happy.
Yeah, it's good to be positive, right? Or optimistic.
Yeah.
Do you know optimistic?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some ambitious,
And what?
like ambitious.
Yeah, yeah, right. Always positive, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Be positive. Oh, madam, my time is running out, so it
Oh,
was
it
really
goes
great.
by so quickly. Yeah.
And yeah, I will make another reservation with you and have a chat.
All right, sounds good. All right, have a great day and keep studying
Yeah,
English.
have a great day. Yeah. You are
Bye.
really
Thank
great.
you. You are too. Bye.
Yeah.